about 95% of meme coins will go to zero. But the remaining 5% will change people's life and make ordinary people millionaires. But the question is, what are the 5% of the meme coin that will perform exceptionally well and that will change people's life? So that is the focus of this video. In this video, I will show you those meme coins that are part of the top 5% that will change people's life and make ordinary people millionaires. So what to expect in this video? First, we look at the meme coin Supercycle. What is the meme coin Supercycle? Then we look at Murad portfolio and where you can buy, which is the 5% of the coin of the meme coins to buy, where you can buy from, and how to position yourself so that you can be part of those people that will be transformed as these meme coins explode in growth. So to get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I publish new video, you'll be informed. So what is the meme coin Supercycle? Now, Murad is an investor, or is a meme coin investor. He was an investor in the Tron.fi, and he was an investor in infrastructural project. But now the best way to describe Murad is that he's a meme coin investor. Now he believes that the way the investment in a crypto space, the way it goes, it is very, very unfair to retail investors, as retail investors are used as exit liquidity. So because of this huge inequality that exists in the industry, there's a gradual shift from VC-backed projects to meme coins that are organic, meme coins. Why? This is the reason. The reason is because meme coins give an equal opportunity to retail investors, to everybody to succeed. Now, there are many stories out there on the internet where meme coins have changed ordinary people's lives, but this does not happen, or this do not happen in VC-backed coins. So meme coins are the project and the product that is very, very transparent, and it is a catalyst that can easily make ordinary and retail investors become rich and to have their life transformed. So that is who Murad is, and Murad has what we call the meme coin Supercycle, which is he is saying that I'm going to show you now in this slide. This is what he's talking about. That he's talking about that once the project we have in the crypto industry that are backed by VC, token founders as zero cost basis, VC from token founder to VC getting with at a very cheap valuation, angel investor at a very cheap valuation, centralized exchanges, market makers, callers, YouTubers, these people getting at a very low valuations, and once these coins are listed, they dump it on retail investors. Okay, this retail investor is at the end of the loop on the pyramid. This is not good, and because of this, there's a shift. So now he has what we call the meme coin Supercycle, and this is his prediction. I'm going to play this so that you can listen to what he has to say. Yeah.
You're going to see 2 memes above 100 billion. You're going to see 10 memes above 10 billion. A quarter of the first page of CoinMarketCap is going to be memes. 10% meme coin dominance. Utility and VC-backed alts will continue out underperforming. Fat protocol thesis will slowly die because building store value in casino number 4 and number 5 is getting increasingly hard. VCs will be buying blue chip meme coins. Smart ones are already beginning to do so. TradFi will be buying meme coins. Smart ones are already beginning to do so. And you will see hyper meme coinization before hyper Bitcoinization. And
so what he's saying is that now in this meme coin Supercycle, some meme coin we grow to a market cap of 40 billion. Others will grow to a market cap of 100 billion, 10 billion, and many billions of dollar market cap of meme coins that will go to that market cap. Okay, and he is saying that on the first page of the coin market cap, 25% over 100 coins will be meme coins, and the VCs they will gradually migrate into the VC will gradually start buying blue chip meme coins, and Tron.fi will also start investing in meme coins. And this is what it predicted because of this radical shift that is taking place in the investment space in crypto. So this is very, very significant. Then let's look at his thesis. These are the meme coins that will perform. These are the meme coins. It is not all meme coins that will perform. Other meme coins we fade out, but the meme coin that belongs to this part that is marked cycle with this rectangle. So that means cut meme coins that has cut feature, brand, lifestyle, brand, subculture feature, and movement mission. These are the meme coins that will perform, that will change ordinary people's life and make ordinary people millionaires. So we look at his portfolio now. So these are his portfolio. These are some of the coins that he believes belongs to those categories, or have the features in the pyramid that I just showed. So now we look at each of these projects and where you can buy them from. So we'll start with the first with this one, Mudeng. So Mudeng, the market cap is 138 million. Okay, let's look at the all-time market cap. The all-time market cap was above 300 million dollars. So you can buy it from Jupiter Exchange from using your true phantom. Buy it on Jupiter Exchange. Let's look at other places you can buy from. So it's listed on Gate.io, Mexi, KuCoin, and Bitget. So you can buy it from there, or you want to buy it through Centralized Exchange, you can use Radium. So let's look at SkibBD. So let SKBDI. So this is one of the projects that is on that list. I'm going to show you. Look at it on the list. So the current market cap is $37 million. Okay, you can buy it on the decentralized exchange through Radeon. So the next project on the list is Sigma. Sigma is $85 million at the moment. Yeah, and you can buy it from Radeon's decentralized exchange. So the next one is Michi. Michi current market cap is $218 million. Let's look at the all-time market cap. The all-time market cap of Michi is above $200 million dollars. All-time market cap, all-time high market cap. So you can buy it. Let's see where you can buy it from. You can buy it through J.LMXC, and if you want to buy it through the right exchange, you can buy it through Medium. So the next here is Apple. Apple. Let's look at the all-time high market cap for Apple. Apple all-time market cap was above 340 million, and it is listed on Ethereum, built on Ethereum. But let's look at where you can buy it. You can buy it from Mexi, from Ray.io. Okay, you can buy it. If you want to buy it through the centralized exchange, you can buy it through Uniswap. The next on my list is GigaChat. GigaChat is one of the projects that you see on crypto Twitter. The current market cap, the all-time high market cap was above $600 million. Currently, it's around $792 million. Okay, and that is very bullish. Let's see where you can buy it from. You can buy it through Radium and Mexi, J.io, CoinX. So you can buy it through Radium. It's built on the solar chain. The next one on the list is CTO Harambe. Okay, I think this is not the one we want, Harambe. Let's replace that Harambe. So this is the Harambe that we want. The current market cap is $31 million. Okay, let's look at the all-time market cap. It rose to 40 from around above close to $80 million market cap. Where can you buy from? You can buy it through Mexi. Okay, and you can also buy it through centralized exchange of Radium. So the next on the list is Locking. Locking current market cap is 58 million, and you understand the Locking, you can see on the icon, you understand what it means. Okay, that icon is very significant for the gem, and it's about the battle between TradFi and the crypto industry, the meme coin market. So look at the all-time market cap for Locking, which was close to 16 million. Where can you buy it from? You can buy it from Radium as a decentralized exchange. Use your Phantom wallet or any other wallet. Buy it through that exchange. The next one is FWOG. FWOG current market cap is 345 million. Okay, let's look at the all-time high market cap. Okay, I think it's close to the all-time high market cap. Where can you buy FWOG from? You can buy it through Mexi.io, these are centralized exchanges, or you can buy it through the DEX, Radium, or Jupiter Exchange. Any of the two. Next one is PopCat. PopCat is the market leader for cat meme coins, and the all-time market cap was close to $1.6 billion. And where can you buy it from? You can buy it from MXC, and you may decide to buy it through DEX, Jupiter Exchange, or Radium. The next is Retadio. Retadio current market cap is $163 million. So let's look at, so it is close to $200 million market cap. Where can you buy Retadio from? You can buy it from, you can buy it through Radium or this decentralized exchange, on Phantom, Jupiter Exchange, Radium, and the rest of them. The next one is Bitcoin, Harry Potter of Masonic, which is Bitcoin. The current market cap is $193 million. Let's look at the all-time high market cap for this project. The all-time high market cap was close to $350 million. Where can you buy Bitcoin from? You can buy it from Mexi, you can buy it from Get.io, or you can buy it from Uniswap version 2. Okay. The next on my list is DeFi Dogecoin. So where can you buy this project from? Let's look at the market cap, the price action of the market cap. All-time high for Cefi was close to $55 million. And where can you buy Cefi from? Cefi can be bought from decentralized exchange, Radium, decentralized exchange use CoinX. The next on my list is Mini. Mini is the current market cap is $41 million, and you can buy Mini from Radium on Jupiter Exchange and or decentralized exchange. Or decentralized exchange, you can buy it through CoinX. The next on my list is Billy. Billy current market cap is $20 million. and you can buy this project a bit of time. See, now when we look at this project, let's look at the all-time high market cap for Billy. The all-time high market cap for Billy was above 200 million. There's a huge upside when the Bitcoin super cycle gets started. So the last on my list, which is very important, I think this is Murad, one of Murad's favorite projects, is SPX 6900. Okay, it is similar to S&P 500. It's an index. S&P 500 is an index that tracks high-performing tech companies, and this SPX 6900 is a meme coin version of that index. So this is very very significant. Okay, from Rand, yeah, let's look at the all-time high market cap for this project. The all-time high market cap was close to 1 billion, was above $800 million. Where can you buy it from? You can buy it from Base and can buy it from Solana. It is listed on Base and it is built on Base and built on Solana chain. So, but let's look at the exchanges you can buy them from. Mexi has listed it. Okay, CoinW has also listed it. You can buy it through Radium or Jupiter Exchange, and you can also buy it through Uniswap applications too. Okay. Now the next question is, how do you position yourself? Is it just to buy and trade after a couple of profit? No, you don't do that. So this is how to position yourself. Now, how many of you remember when in the last cycle when Dogecoin and Shiba Inu made people super rich? Okay, your $100 investment in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu was almost close to $1 million. Okay, so that is the kind of thing that want to the kind of approach that you should use in this Bitcoin super cycle investment thesis. So, but let's look at what Murad has to say about how to position yourself. There are 3 ways to make it this cycle. First one is buy and hold prettiest Bitcoins. Second, hyper and gamble on new meme launches. The third, incredible sex trading streak. What they don't want you to know is that one, give you by far the highest. And one thing about buying and holding for a long period of time is that compound effect, the compound effect of the growth. Okay, yeah. So that is the benefit you enjoy when you buy and hold for a long time. But when you trade, it's very unlikely that you enjoy such benefit. So what I'm saying in a nutshell, okay, so this also one of his tweets that confirmed that I'm telling you straight off, figure out what the top 3 to 5 most hardcore cuts are. Bet big, contribute, and just hold for 1 year. It really is that simple. So hold for a minimum of 1 year and allow this thesis to play out. And you will be surprised and thought if things play out the way the predictions is, or you will be super happy for at least 1 year. So this does not constitute investment advice in any way. As I always say, do your own research. This is not a financial advice. If you find this video very helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Like and comment. There's a similar video here on the meme coin super cycle, and you'll find information about the super cycle, the Murad thesis, and more explanation to that. Check it. Then you'll find it interesting. CoinDollar has a Telegram community. On our Telegram community, we guide people and give them alpha so that they can use it to make money in crypto. Check the description section and you find the link. Join the community.